Have you ever tried using Maggi Knorr to make plantain chips? If no, just stick right here because I'm going to be showing you how to make plantain chips using your Maggi Knorr, and these plantain chips is going to come out so yummy. So right now I'm going to go ahead and peel my unripe plantain, okay? And for those of you that don't know how to peel your unripe plantain, just do exactly how I am doing. Once you cut out the head and the tail down, just slide in your knife and then you're going to be getting them all peeled out. So right now I will just go ahead and peel all my unripe plantain. If you choose to use the one that is a bit riper is okay, but me, I prefer it unripe so that I can get all the flavor and all the juice that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my sink and also clean my knife because the knife is going to do a lot of work. If you have plantain chips maker, you can go ahead and use your plantain chips maker. If you don't have a plantain chips maker, you can do exactly this method I am doing. It's actually not difficult, but you just be guided because of your hand. You don't need to like be hard on the knife and the plantain, okay? So I'll just go ahead and slice this into tiny pieces until I get all my plantain slice. If you want your slice to be even more smaller than this, you can also do that, but for me this particular slice pattern is really okay for me, and that's it. So after that I'm going to go ahead and use my Maggi Knorr. So I'll be using just 1 cube because I don't want it to be too salty or to be too spicy. So I'm going to be putting in 1, and once I spray it in like this, I'm just going to go ahead and stir it together, add a bit of water, and then also turn it very well to make sure that I got everything exactly as I want. So you can also be watching to enjoy the process. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another Vibes on the Table. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do it to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share. Trust me, if you try this my recipe and then you enjoy it, you will never fry plantain without Maggi Knorr again. And just to let you know, this video is not sponsored, okay? So this is me just doing it from the depth of my heart to you guys. It's actually a very yummy flavor, okay? I forgot to add that part. After adding your Maggi Knorr, you can also add a pinch of salt, but it's actually optional. But I added a pinch of salt on my own end so that everything can just complement each other. I don't know if you guys get. Then I'll go ahead and fry. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys later. No, I will not leave you guys to enjoy. I'll have to talk to you guys to the end of this video. So today's hug goes to Ada Ezekiel. Thank you so much, Ada, for always coming through for our videos. Thank you so much for watching us all the way from Imo State. We really do appreciate. Let us know where you're watching from so that we can send you a hug in our next video. Guys, you can see what the plantain chips is giving. God, can you see it? Can you see it? If you want your plantain to be more fried than this particular one, is still okay. So right now in the area where I stay in Port Harcourt, there is, what would I call it, what we call a harmattan, because I know some persons don't know what harmattan is because of the people watching me from other countries. Is automatically our own winter, and so I just want it to be like this, okay? So you can also choose to fry yours deeply. Guys, let me know what you think about my plantain chips in the comment section. I would really love to know. But this is it. Oh my god, my plantain chips is giving. Yeah.